Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Monday, June the 29th, 2020. We have here only one Sudoku. This is a medium Sudoku, a regular Sudoku, medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus with I believe 6 Sudokus. But first we start with this regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. Before I start, I want to count all these numbers, the printed numbers. So I have an indication what kind medium Sudoku this is. Is it a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars? The 1 star start with 27 Sudoku. The 4 star Sudoku is a 24 printed digits. Alright, so let's count. We have here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 3 is 17, 18 plus 2 is 20, 24, 28. Alright, 28. 4, 6, 9, 13, 16, 17. Oh, I've made a mistake. 17, 13, 16, 17, 19, 23, 27. It's at 27 printed digits. Alright, so it's a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. We have here in this column 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3, also a 2. So 2 of those 4 missing numbers, 3 and a 2 in this column. The 3 and a 2 cannot be placed in these 2 boxes, so the 3 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. How about these 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 6, I believe. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in the last row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this big square, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. Here we have the 4 and a 7. 4 and a 7. I mark these for you so you can follow this easier. How about this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, so no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. The 8 is missing. The 9 is missing. And the 5 is missing. In this column, we see here the 5 and the 8. So no 5 and the 8 in this box. The 5 and the 8 should be here. So 1 box left, 1 digit left, should be the 9. We have a 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. Ooh, no, I cannot fill the 4. I need to wait. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the row above. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here also a 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. That means 1 digit left in the last row for the number 7. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box should be the number 7. Then we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 7 here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright, lucky 7. And then 3 numbers left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2, need to wait. How about the number 8 in this row? 8 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 8, need to wait. How about the number? We have here 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 6 and 9, that means in the third row, 1 number left should be the number 5. 1, 9, 6. We have, let me see, here also 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 4 here, 5 and a 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 6, 9 and the 6, we have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there, 1 number left in this big square for the number 9, the 3 and 4, the 5 and the 6, alright, 1, yes, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 4. We see here 5, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. The 4 and the 1 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 numbers, the 6 and the 4? We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, yes, 2 numbers left in this column, the second column. The numbers are the 1 and the 9. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes. We have a 5 here. I have marked these 2 boxes, 5 and an 8. This cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 5. And all the 5's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the 8 now? Yes, 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And the 4 also. And all the 4's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, a thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget, if you want to subscribe, only if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. So again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other Sudokus in the additional with extra Sudokus. So keep on puzzling, stay healthy, and see you soon. Bye bye for now.